Every other tech YouTuber did it, so I figured I should do it too, right? Here's a quick unboxing of the iPhone 11 Pro Max. Midnight Green. Hey guys, today is iPhone 11 day in India and Malaysia, and I figured what a good day to unbox the iPhone 11 Pro. So I picked up the iPhone 11 Pro Max because I kind of need that extra battery life. I do feel like it's a little bit larger than I'm used to, but oh well. So without further ado, here's a quick unboxing of the iPhone 11 Pro Max in the midnight green. Alright, first things first, let's take a look at the box itself. It's a new black box for the Pro series, which is interesting enough. The midnight green actually does look like the phone itself inside. Let's open up the box. Alright, and the first thing you see is the iPhone 11 Pro Max. Pretty sweet color. You don't actually see this color very often right now. It's pretty interesting, and I'm really excited to take a couple photos of this phone for my Instagram as well. Alright, so that's a quick look at the phone. Let's move on to this little design by Apple in California leaflet collection sleeve. First up, you have the Hello instruction manual, like a quick start guide on how to use your iPhone. And of course, there's the SIM card tray removal tool. Next up, you have the usual warranty and service information. And lastly, you have the usual Apple stickers, which is pretty cool. I love that Apple still gives out stickers along with it. Alright, the next thing you see are the earpods. These are of course the wired set. I kind of wish they were AirPods, but oh well. Moving on from there, there's the USB Type-C to Lightning cable. This is the first time Apple's actually done this with the iPhone, so it's interesting. And lastly, you have the new, much more powerful charger adapter, which is super appreciated. You only get this with the Pro series, so if you have an iPhone 11, you might want to buy this instead. Alright, so that's a quick look at what you get with the iPhone 11 Pro Max. I also happen to get the green silicone cover. Let me just quickly open it up from the box. Alright, you can see that there's a nice little felt suede inside. Kind of microfiber, I'm assuming. Alright, let me put the phone in. You can see it snaps nicely in place. And yeah, you can see that it looks really nice on the midnight green. Pretty sweet looking case right over there. Yeah, I mean, it's a usual Apple case, but it looks nice. I've actually always been using the original Apple cases on all of my iPhones, and I actually really appreciate how long they last. Alright, so that's a quick unboxing of the midnight green iPhone 11 Pro Max and the silicone case for it. That was quite a mouthful, but hey, that's a quick unboxing of the iPhone 11 Pro Max in that sweet midnight green color. I'm so glad I got a case that matched this time around. As always guys, if you have any questions about the iPhone 11 Pro, please let me know right in the comment section below, or you can reach out to me directly on Instagram at ClintonJeff. And hey, if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button right below and maybe subscribe, because that would be appreciated. And yeah, that's about it. Thanks for watching guys, and I'll catch you in the next one.